Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hi everyone, you're listening to Terra Talk, where young voices reach out to the world. I Akshara with my friends Purvani, Priyanshi, Navjot, Aditya and Samarth of Saint Soldier International Convent School, Mohali, right now are surrounded by trees, mist and the sound of nature here in Jim Corbett National Park.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
For the past few days, my friends and I have been exploring this beautiful place. We've gone on safaris, walked through forests, visited the museum, and learned a lot about wildlife and ourselves. Today, each of us is going to share a bit of what stood out the most. So let's get started.
This is Samarth. Let's talk about the safari experience. The safari was honestly the bestest part of the trip. Like I only know मुझे किस level की excitement थी जाने के लिए वहाँ पे, and honestly it was worth it. When I stepped out from the bus, bro, that was insane movement. I guess मुझे ये कहना चाहिए. Like जब मैं वहाँ पे उतरा तो कैसे मतलब बर्ड्स की आवाज़ ये वो जो कि मेरे को आज तक कहीं पे भी नहीं मिली. लाइक जब मैं छोटा होता था डिस्कवरी पे ये एंड ऑल मेरे को देखने को मिलता था, और मैं आज जिसको एक्चुअली में फ़ील कर रहा था. ठीक है, देन मतलब सिटीज़ में अगर हम देखें तो हमारे को ऐसा कभी भी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिल सकता. फिर हम आगे गए, गाइड वगैरह ने हमारे को फुटप्रिंट्स दिखाए टाइगर के. काइंडा वैसे काफ़ी एक्साइटमेंट हो रही थी देख के, बट डर भी लग रहा था अंदर ही अंदर, क्योंकि काफ़ी वो था कि अगर एकदम से कोई आ गया एंड ऑल. लाइक एक्साइटमेंट तो होती है उनको देखने की, बट अंदर ही अंदर डर बहुत लग रहा था. बट ऑनेस्टली बेस्ट पार्ट था भाई सफारी जिम कॉर्बेट.
Hi, this is Purvani, and I'll be talking about the Jim Corbett Museum. I honestly didn't expect the museum to be this interesting. It's actually Jim Corbett's old house, and walking inside felt like stepping back in time. There were his old photos, letters, and even his rifles. सब कुछ वैसा ही था exactly the way he left. Before coming here, I always thought he was just a hunter, but reading about how he turned into a protector of wildlife really changed my view. He used his skills not to harm animals but to save them, and that hit different. And it made me realize कि अगर एक बंदा चाहे ना तो अपनी पूरी story change कर सकता है and actually make a difference.
I am Aditya and I'm gonna talk about the nature walk. Bhai, that walk was something else. Like everything just slowed down, no city noises, no rush, बस peace all around. Our guide was super chill. He was like, भाई देखो ये सब connected है, plants, animals, soil, सब एक balance में काम करते हैं. And I was like, damn dude, that actually makes sense. भाई इंसान जब चुप हो जाता है ना, and he walks in the forest, you just start hearing everything. The winds, the birds, even the silence. Feels like nature actually is talking to you.
Hello, my name is Navjot, and if I had to sum up our incredible journey in just one word, it would be teamwork. The forest trails are not easy. Mud everywhere, random slopes, and a lot of laughter. We shared snacks, water, and sometimes just the energy to keep walking. There were moments we got tired, but एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते करते और साथ साथ चलते चलते हम एक दूसरे को देख देख के चलते रहे. And we learned that adventure is never perfect, and that's what makes it worth it.
Priyanshi this side. The biggest thing I'll remember is meeting forest guards. मतलब वो guards घंटों घंटों काम करते हैं, उन जानवरों को protect करते हैं, park को safe रखते हैं, and the fact that they don't do it for fame or money, they actually just care. After coming here, I think all of us feel responsible. Even like small things like not littering or using less plastic actually matter a lot.
That brings us to the end of our show. Where we came here, we expected an ordinary trip, but we are living with memories and lessons that'll stay for life. We learned that adventure teaches teamwork, nature teaches patience, and silence can sometimes say more than words. A big thank you for our teachers, our school, and EdTerra Adventures for making this experience possible. This is Akshara signing off from Terra Talk. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop caring for the world around you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.